What's up, guys? We're out here at iDrive Throwdown. We're here with our buddy Cee B. We got his awesome 4th gen Ram here with our air suspension kit. Just thought we'd catch up with him and talk about the truck. And man, what inspired you to build something like this or acquire?
Well, I didn't build it, I acquired it. It's a guy named Chris that actually built it, and I mean, he did a really good job. He was very detailed with it, and I was fortunate enough to acquire the truck.
Are you a diesel guy, lifted truck guy, or is this new to you? Is this your first rodeo?
Not my first lifted truck. Before this one, I had a Tundra on a 7-inch BDS.
Okay.
And I wanted to get into the diesels.
Diesel gang.
Yeah.
All right.
Sold my Tundra, and I was able to get this.
Cool.
So
your first Cummins.
Yeah, first
What do you
Cummins,
think?
man. I love it.
Cool.
I love it.
So first big diesel truck.
Yeah.
And first air ride truck.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Oh, awesome.
Really?
The air ride, man, listen, it's like riding a Cadillac. I'll be
cool,
honest
man. Yeah. Well, we try, man. We try to make it, ride as best as possible.
Yeah, absolutely.
Better than factory.
Yeah.
These actually do pretty good because they're coil spring front rear.
Yeah.
But like older or even all the traditional leaf spring stuff, it's not rough, but this is nicer.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, this is nicer.
It really is.
So what kind of wheels and tires we running here?
Right here we have a pair of 26 by 16 American Force with some 35 Venoms on there. There's some audio on the back. You wanna take a look at that?
Let's go.
So as you can see, the air tanks
Damn.
are mounted in the back.
Yeah.
We have eight DS18s and two 12-inch DS18 12 DS18 amps, and that's about it. Nothing competition, but it'll get the job done. You know what I mean? Has the airlift system on it.
It's airlift and it's got the big tanks on there, so
Yeah.
that works good. It's all auto leveling and you really don't have to do anything. You just get in and go.
That's it.
Yeah, super
I haven't had any problems with it. Man, the quality on these lifts are awesome.
Yeah, this thing's just so cool, man. I love seeing it in person. And how's can we hear the stereo? I'm sure they're not going to really get the full effect, but
Yeah.
I want to hear it. I want to hear some thumping.
Busters unless they round.
Damn.
Bust around giving my flowers every time we encounter. I don't owe a big shit, but from a YG to an OG, I gotta pay hundreds. I had to start taking them jiggles and drinking that liquor, be making me violent.
Nice, man.
Like I say, not much, but it'll get it done.
I mean,
Mainly for show.
I love it, man. It's cool. I mean,
appreciate it.
I see a lot of guys doing this stuff. It's all kind of new to me. I think it's cool, man. Get that sound back here, because I mean, with a pickup truck, there's not really much you can do. But and it's like just enough. You might be able to put some groceries or luggage right there. Maybe your wife's purse or something. Whatever, man. Whatever. Cool. Are you local for around here, or?
I am local. I stay in Lake County, and
Oh, cool, man. So you're not far from us. So
no, not at all.
we'll be seeing more of you.
Yes, sir.
Awesome, man. Awesome. Appreciate you taking the time, talk to us about the truck and showcase it and representing it, man, and driving it. And we'll catch you next time.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, pleasure to meet you too, man.